Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and insightful product analysis. Today, we're diving into one of the best innovations in footwear accessories, the Kiwi Sneaker No-Tie Shoe Laces. These laces are designed to revolutionize the way you wear your sneakers. No more tying and untying knots, no more loose laces coming undone at inconvenient moments. The Kiwi Sneaker No-Tie Shoe Laces offer a hassle-free experience, allowing you to slip on and off your shoes with ease. Let's talk about what sets these laces apart. First off, they're made of high-quality elastic material, ensuring a snug fit that conforms to your foot's movement. Whether you're running, walking, or just going about your day, these laces will stay securely in place. Installation is a breeze. Simply replace your traditional laces with the Kiwi No-Tie laces, and you're good to go. They're adjustable to fit any shoe size, from adults to teens to young kids. Plus, they come in 6 versatile color variations, so you can choose the perfect match for your style. But what really makes these laces stand out is the convenience they offer. Say goodbye to the frustration of tangled laces or having to stop to retie your shoes. With Kiwi Sneaker No-Tie Laces, you can turn any shoe into a slip-on, saving you time and effort every day. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product analyses. Until next time, happy shopping!